Building wealth in your 20s sets a solid foundation for long-term financial stability and freedom. Here are 6 key strategies. Number 1. Stay healthy. Investing in your health in your 20s is a smart financial move. Staying in good health can save you a lot of money in the long run. Regular checkups and screenings can catch health issues early, before they become expensive to treat. Eating well, exercising, and avoiding bad habits like smoking can prevent chronic diseases that require costly care. Being healthy boosts your energy and productivity at work, which leads to better job opportunities and higher incomes. Good mental health is also important, as it helps you stay focused and make smart financial decisions. Healthy people often pay less for health and life insurance, saving money over time. Establishing good habits now can lead to a longer, more active life, giving you more years to earn and enjoy retirement. Prioritizing your health in your 20s means fewer medical bills and more financial stability in the future. And remember, health is wealth. Number 2. Avoid bad debt. In your 20s, avoiding bad debt is crucial. High-interest credit card debt and loans can make it difficult to save and invest in the future. To manage and avoid bad debt, use credit cards wisely by paying off the balance in full each month to reduce interest charges. Understand the interest rates on any existing debt and prioritize paying off high-interest debts first to save money. Create a plan to pay off your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Be cautious about new debts and stay away from payday loans and other high-interest options. Live within your means by creating and sticking to a budget, which prevents reliance on credit cards or loans. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs so you don't have to borrow high interest. By following these steps, you can manage your finances effectively, pay off existing debt quickly, and avoid future financial burdens. This will clear the way for long-term financial stability and freedom. Number 3. Build multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams in your 20s is a smart way to achieve financial stability and freedom. Relying on just one source of income can be risky, so having different ways to earn money protects you from financial problems. Consider side hustles like freelancing, webinars, dropshipping, course-selling handmade products online. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients who need your skills, helping you generate extra income. Creating passive income streams is another effective approach. You can invest in rental properties for steady rental income or buy stocks that pay dividends regularly. Real estate and stock market investments can grow your wealth over time. Peer-to-peer lending platforms also let you earn interest by lending money to people or small businesses. Additionally, you can monetize your hobbies like selling photos if you enjoy photography or crafts on Etsy. By building multiple income streams, you increase your earnings and protect yourself from financial uncertainties, setting yourself up for long-term wealth and financial freedom. Number 4. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a key step to building wealth in your 20s. Enhancing your education and developing new skills can lead to higher income opportunities and job security. Consider pursuing further education, like a degree or advanced degree, to open doors to better-paying careers. Enroll in professional courses and get certifications relevant to your field to be more competitive. Learn new skills, such as programming or digital marketing, to stay relevant in today's job market. Attend workshops and seminars to gain knowledge and network with industry professionals, which can lead to a variety of job opportunities. Developing soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem-solving can also improve your work effectiveness. Seek out mentors and professional coaches for guidance and support to navigate your career path. Stay informed about industry trends by reading publications, following experts, and joining professional organizations. By investing in your education and skills development, you can increase your income, enhance your career prospects, and set the stage for long-term financial stability and freedom. Number 5. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships is crucial for financial success in your 20s. Having a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities, offer valuable advice, and support your career growth. Start by seeking mentors who can guide you and connecting with peers who can collaborate on projects. Attend networking events like conferences and workshops to meet professionals in your industry and learn about evolving trends. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to connect with industry leaders and join relevant groups. Volunteering and joining professional organizations can help you meet like-minded people and expand your network. Keep in touch with your connections, follow up regularly, and offer help when you can. Look for opportunities to work with others on projects to build trust and strengthen your relationships. By investing in your professional network, you ensure long-term financial stability and freedom. Number 6. Educate yourself about finance. Educating yourself about finance is crucial for building wealth in your 20s. Understanding financial concepts helps you make smart money decisions. Start by reading books on budgeting, investing, and accumulating wealth. Follow finance blogs to get the latest advice and tips. Listen to finance podcasts for expert strategies and inspiration. Learn about taxes, including income tax basics, deductions, and credits to maximize refunds and avoid penalties. Join financial communities to get support and insights from others with similar goals. By using these resources, you'll be better equipped to manage your money, avoid financial mistakes, and achieve long-term financial stability and freedom. By following these 6 key strategies: staying healthy, avoiding bad debt, building multiple income streams, investing in yourself, networking, and educating yourself about finance, you can set a solid foundation for long-term financial stability and freedom. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Leave a comment below with your own tips or questions, and I'll see you in the next video.